MyCreditFixPro Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of MyCreditFixPro. Links to their services have been added to the description, so feel free to explore them as we discuss their features, benefits, and target audience. MyCreditFixPro is a comprehensive credit repair solution aimed at helping individuals improve their credit scores through a proven and streamlined process. This platform specializes in identifying and disputing inaccuracies, outdated entries, and unverifiable information on your credit reports, ensuring you have the cleanest and most accurate credit profile possible. The service starts with a detailed credit analysis where the team at MyCreditFixPro reviews your reports from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They pinpoint negative items such as late payments, collections, or inaccuracies that could be dragging your score down. Once identified, they craft custom dispute letters to challenge these entries with creditors and bureaus. Their process is compliant with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, ensuring all actions are legitimate and effective. A standout feature of MyCreditFixPro is their dedicated customer portal, where clients can track their progress in real time. Transparency is at the forefront, and users are kept informed of updates as disputes are processed and resolved. Additionally, they offer guidance on best practices for building and maintaining good credit, empowering users to avoid common pitfalls. This service is ideal for anyone struggling to qualify for loans, mortgages, or credit cards due to a poor credit score. Whether you're dealing with the aftermath of financial missteps or simply need professional assistance to navigate the complex world of credit reporting, MyCreditFixPro provides an effective, user-friendly solution. With its personalized strategies, modern tools, and emphasis on client education, MyCreditFixPro stands out as a reliable credit repair service. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, check out the links in the description to get started. Transforming your credit has never been easier.